All right, folks, here are, I don't know, 5 or 6 stocks to be watching this week. The first one we're looking at here is Netflix. So Netflix has pulled back very drastically here from around 130 all the way down to 77. So if you guys are familiar with our strategy, we like to buy after things go down. We don't like to chase pumps. We don't like to do any of that. This thing is 43% off of its highs, one of the biggest tech companies in the world, Netflix. So one thing I'm noticing about Netflix is it's right into our blue line here on our indicator. So that indicator right there is the 200 EMA. And because we trade a weekly chart here, that is the 200-week moving average. Okay, so we think of it as the 4-year moving average. Okay, it's one of the most popular EMAs used among traders. We use the higher time frames here just because they are the most accurate, right? They give us a larger set of data to go off of. And you can see we got our buy signal back here in January, right here at around 80. It's sitting at 77 right now. So I would say this is a really good spot to look to start a position in Netflix. You can see how it bounces on that blue line in bull markets. We will see if that thing holds up. $70 is going to be a really big support level for it. If $70 does break, obviously you'll see some capitulation. But I like it right here, buying at the average. We use a cheat sheet over here in the Discord, and we go off the mean, right? The mean is just another word for average. So the average we like to take into consideration here is the 1-year average, which is our white line on our indicator, and the blue line is going to be the 4-year average. So in my opinion, the only way to know if you're getting at a fair price is to buy around the average. We don't want to buy up off of the average when everyone's excited. We want to buy into the average, okay, or below the average, right? Into the average means we're getting a fair price. Down here means we're getting a discount. Up here means things are expensive, right? The people buying Netflix up here at 120 are now, right, getting kicked out of their house by their wives, so on and so forth. But right now, Netflix looks fair. And another one sitting on its 200-day EMA is Twilio. This is a software company. All we're missing on this one is a green dot. So we want to buy the green dots when the wave is down here below the white line. That last one came right there at 56 bucks. It popped all the way up to 155 for a 200% move. So waiting on that signal there for Twilio, but I do like the fact that it's sitting at the 200 EMA. Another one I'm looking at is BX. This is Blackstone. These guys are asset managers. Okay, and again, right into the average. Look where it bounced last time. Back here in April when everyone was freaking out about tariffs. Okay, boom. Hit the 4-year average and bounced. We're sitting right on it here again. This thing looks very strong here above 120. Once again, we just need our buy signal. And a couple more for you. I really like PSky. This is PSKY. Paramount. This is Paramount Plus. They are getting a buy signal here this week as well.